Hello and welcome back to the Buckle and Shackle 3D shop. Today I have a really long print on my H2C because I was away from my house for a few days. So let's take a look at what I printed. I printed a Cinderwing 3D sunflower dragon, and I made an adult size, a teen sized, as well as two babies, and some Perforged Stratastacks. This print took 2 days, 8 hours and 9 minutes, 683 grams of filament. The colors I used were apple green, sunflower yellow, and cocoa brown from Elegoo, as well as some Ziro Lilypad. Let's take this off the plate and check it out. This printed with zero waste, and this prime tower, which was about 30 grams. And I printed these purge Stratastacks, but I didn't need to actually purge them because it would have been still the same amount of waste. But I love printing these in this pattern because it looks better and they sell better. So I printed a bunch of Stratastacks as well as the new hearts. And here are the Cinderwing 3D sunflower dragons. Turned out great, and the Ziro Lilypad filament is really cool. And here is the teen size. And the two babies. These will be available at my upcoming craft shows this season. I have a bunch that I have booked already, and I will be releasing that information very soon. So thanks for watching. Please like and follow. Goodbye. And if you're wondering how much filament came out of the chute, that much.